Valley Forestry Equipment is proud to present the Big Red Sawmill, a powerful all-in-one portable sawmill combining strength, capacity, and ease of use. At its heart, a powerful Honda engine available in 13 or 20 horsepower delivers reliable performance day after day. Proudly made in Canada to ensure superior quality and durability, capable of handling logs up to 30 inches in diameter and up to 21 feet in length. The Big Red is built on a solid 2x6x316 welded tubular steel frame, delivering unmatched rigidity and precise cutting every time. Equipped with an electric saw head height adjustment, all your settings are quick and effortless. Its large color-coded lumber scale guarantees accuracy with every cut. Valley's exclusive one-step go system, one action for 4 operations: engine acceleration, blade rotation, blade lubrication, and brake release. The Big Red comes standard with a 24-foot frame, 4 log clamps, and 4 levelers. Optional trailer packages with single or twin axles make transport simple and efficient. Every Big Red is delivered, assembled, and ready to use right out of the factory. The result: precision, efficiency, and durability for all your projects. Trust the Big Red to get the job done. Find your nearest dealer on our website, valleyforestryequipment.com.